If you're going on a Very Merrytime cruise with Disney, we are here to help you make the most of it. Today we're going to be sharing some tips so you can have the very best Very Merrytime sailing and make some magical holiday memories. There's a lot to see and do on a Very Merrytime cruise. Of course, you can just show up and experience all of the magical holiday ambiance, but if you want to meet characters, see shows, and take advantage of all the offerings that these type of sailings have to offer, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and relax while we share our best tips for Very Merrytime sailings. These Christmas cruises are popular and they can get pretty crowded, so whenever an event is happening, it is important you arrive early to ensure a good seat. A lot of people start finding their spot anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes before showtime begins, so if you know where you want to stand, make sure you make that a priority, otherwise you will be stuck with whatever there is left when you get there. Don't assume that you can just walk up and grab a spot 5 minutes before the show starts, because most people have already been waiting a while to have that specific. If you want a specific spot, you do need to get there early. Pack some festive clothing, whether you are packing Christmas pajamas, Christmas dresses, ugly sweaters, or whatever your festive attire preference is, be sure to bring that along. There are so many fun holiday opportunities for photos and you don't want to miss out. A lot of people will get pictures taken on the cruise and then later use those photos for their Christmas cards. So this is a great time to plan out any kind of festive moments that you want with your family or traveling party. Speaking of packing, make sure you're prepared for the weather. The weather is often really nice during the day on these sailings, however, it can get quite chilly on board in the evenings, especially with the wind coming off of the ocean. You'll still want warm weather things like sunscreen, lighter clothing, and swimsuits for daytime, but at night you might want to have a few layers on hand. I like bringing a sweater or a hoodie that I can throw on when I'm on the upper decks, and a cardigan to wear at dinner is usually perfect. One of the questions I get asked the most is, will there be a pirate night on a Very Merrytime cruise? The answer is yes. If your Disney cruise would normally have a pirate night, then it will have a pirate night during a Very Merrytime cruise. For example, if you're going to be in the Caribbean, you will have a pirate night on your ship, which means that you will have a pirate night during your Very Merrytime cruise. Decorate your stateroom door and/or your stateroom. If you want to add a little bit of extra holiday cheer to your sailing, decorate your door with holiday magnets, a wreath. Some people hang stockings. I saw so many cute doors that were so festive. I wish I would have taken some more photos to share here, but you can also bring some little trinkets to add some cheer to the inside of your room. Or Disney Cruise Line also has a gifts page that you can also purchase a stateroom package to decorate your room with their Very Merrytime decor. Plan a longer cruise. Now this one is probably the most difficult tip to stick to just because not everyone has the time or money to take a longer cruise. But if you can, I would highly recommend taking at least a 5-night cruise during a Very Merrytime sailing. Not only does that mean you'll have more activities and holiday fun on board, but it also gives you a chance to relax and enjoy some downtime since there is so much that goes on during these cruises. Having a longer cruise will give you a great balance of holiday fun, regular cruise fun, and relaxation. Be sure to check your DCL Navigator every single day. Even if you checked the app the night before to see what activities were going to be happening, make sure you check again in the morning. Things can change, and they do change throughout the sailing, and sometimes you'll find some holiday stuff sprinkled in there that was not there the last time you checked. This can help you keep track of the very best holiday activities that you want to enjoy with your family while you're on board. Be sure to shop early if you're looking for something specific. Sometimes going to the shops on the first night can be a little chaotic, but if you're looking for something special from the Christmas collection on board the Disney cruise ships, you're going to want to make sure you go during the first night, chaos and all. If something's going to sell out, it will usually sell out during the first night, so if you have your eye on a more popular item, just make sure you get there early. Check the coffee shop, lounges, and sweet shop for specialty treats. Disney doesn't really advertise what specialty treats they have on board, and this is probably a lot due to the fact that it changes from cruise to cruise and ship to ship. But if you are hoping to have some holiday treats, be sure to actually go inside of each location to see what they're offering. You can also find holiday food offerings inside of Cabanas and Marceline Market. Again, you will have to go inside of the restaurant to see what they have available because there's not anywhere that it's posted, it's not in the app, and it's generally not listed outside of the restaurant either. Usually these offerings will be noted with a special sign that says Happy Holidays offering, and it's kind of nice because it does give you a different option than you might usually have inside of those buffets. Both Castaway Cay and Lookout Cay get all dolled up for the holidays as well. So if you're hoping for some fun, festive Christmas Island type photos, or you just want to see if the merriment is continued off the ship, you are in luck. You'll find Christmas trees, garlands, wreaths, and if you're looking for a festive atmosphere, they also play beachy Christmas music while you're there. Hopefully these tips will help you make the very most of your Very Merrytime Christmas cruise with Disney Cruise Line. As always, let us know if you have any questions. And thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.